it first.
Page 23, line 5.
Page 23, line 5. So, yeah. So these, serious conditions violation, goes from arrest from misdemeanor offense that does not involve following. And it includes, so if it does not involve it, then it's subject to immediate revocation. And in that list that is subject to immediate revocation is misdemeanor offense of harassment or stalking or the offense of violence to the victim, or violence to the family member, the victim of the offense for which the defendant was placed on probation or parole, or a DWI as well. So if they're,
Can you go back to line 5 and explain the difference in what I'm proposing and what you got?
if you say the defendant is subject to having his or her probation revoked for a type of condition or serious set out in the Department of Community and Prosecutor in terms of the defendant is engaging in or is engaged in behavior that poses a threat to the community, which is another section of our bill. Okay, or let's go to the top part. Any personal act affecting the victim of the offenses for which a probationer was placed on probation that is a violation of the conditions of the probationer's probation. So here, say if it's an offense that's affecting the victim, and we have that these misdemeanors are excluded from the 45-day, 90-day commitment and are immediately subject to revocation. And in that list that are immediately subject to revocation is a misdemeanor of offense of harassment or stalking that contains threat of violence to the victim or threat of violence to a family member of the victim. So if they're, the only misdemeanors that you have that could impact the victim is harassment or stalking. Everything else is a felony. Terroristic threatening is a felony. Everything else is a felony. So if you, and felonies, you're already automatically revoked. So the only list of misdemeanors that could impact the same victim would be harassment, stalking, and then the DWI we have, which is very unlikely because most, if you're sentenced probation for DWI, you're already committed a felony DWI, and another DWI will only be an enhanced felony, which means you're subject to revocation. But in some bizarre instance where the look-back period runs, and you, while you're on probation and you have another DWI, but it's only a misdemeanor because the look-back period is run out, and that would be also subject to automatic revocation.
Here, if we have Brent kind of show me.
Well, I'll be honest with you, I don't mind at all, but if you had talked to me about this before now, we could have done that weeks ago, or yesterday, or this morning, but.
But you also were going to run the bill tomorrow, and that's what we all planned on too. And then,
Well, I spoke to you this afternoon, and you didn't say, by the way, I have an amendment, because we could have worked this out, but I don't mind if we want to, Rebecca, if you could call Brent and have him come over. And I'll just say this was sent to the prosecutors, and this is what they asked for. They vetted this bill and said it was fine.
okay, so this is in the bill. I just want this question, I mean, we get back to, I mean, like I said, I'm not an attorney, not necessarily this bill, but we get back to Act 570, back to this, I didn't vote for it, you know, everybody else voted, or I didn't vote, I voted against it, and then now everybody says that was such a bad thing, and I just never felt like at that time, people asked enough questions to understand anything. And Act 570 was the worst thing we've done for crime. Or the best thing you could do for crime, I guess.
You asked a very good question, and it was so good we addressed it, because it was a legitimate concern.
That's, yeah, that's all I'm trying to do.
If Secretary got another question.